Hello students, in this video let us solve the problems related to maturity value. Welcome to our channel E-Kalike. The first problem is Mrs. Matthew opened a RD account in a certain bank and deposited Rs 640 per month for 4.5 years. Find the maturity value of this account if the bank pays interest at the rate of 12% per year. Let's write the data given in the question first. That is, installment per month P is 640 rupees. Number of months for 4.5 years will be 54. The rate of interest is 12% mentioned in the question. We learned the formula MV, which is equal to P into N plus I in our last video. Let me substitute all the values now. So we got P as 640 and N value as 54 plus I. So we also learned the formula for I in the last class, that is I is equal to P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Again, let us substitute all the values. I get, so 640 into 54 into 55 divided by 2 into 12 into R is 12 by 100. So on substituting all this value, I'll result with the answer rupees 9,504 rupees. Rupees 9,504 rupees. So let me substitute the value here. So we know 640 into 54 will be 34,560 plus I'm going to substitute I value here. Second problem is Ashish deposited a certain sum of amount every month in an RD account for 12 months. If the bank pays interest at the rate of 11% per annum and Ashish gets rupees 12,715 as the maturity value of this account, what sum of money did he pay every month? So we need to find the P value here. Assuming P value as Y, number of months for 1 year it will be 12 months and rate of interest is 11%. Let us write the formula for MV. MV is equal to P into N plus I. Let us substitute the values. P is Y according to our assumption. N value is 12 plus its I. We also learned the formula to find I value. So I is equal to P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R value by 100. So P we have taken as Y into 12 into 30 divided by 2 into 12 into R value is 11 by 100. So 12 and 12 get cancelled. So on substitution we are going to get 0.715y. Let me bring this value in the main formula. In the main formula, so MV value we know it's 12,715. It's given in the question. So let me write the MV value. It is 12,715. So 12 into Y is 12Y plus again 0.715y. So 0.715y. So on adding our right hand side, I'll get 12.715y will be equal to our maturity value, that is 12,715. I need to find Y value. So to find Y value, I'll divide 12,715 by 12.715. So to remove the decimal place, so there are 3 decimal places. To remove this, I'll multiply with 1000. Why 1000? Because 3 zeros here, that's equal to 3 decimal places. Same thing I'll multiply in the denominator also. If I multiply 1000 to the numerator, it will become 12715 followed by 3 zeros divided by, and 3 decimal places get cancelled with the 3 zeros. So I'll be getting 12715, that is 12,715. So this get cancelled with this by 1000 times. Therefore, the P value will be 1000 rupees. So every month, the third problem is Mrs. Geeta deposited rupees 350 per month in a bank for 1 year and 3 months under the RD scheme. If the maturity value of our deposit is rupees 5,565, find the rate of interest per annum. So the installment per month is rupees 350. The number of months, 1 year and 3 months will be 12 plus 3, it's 50. The rate of interest is R%. So let us write the formula for maturity value. So we know NV is equal to P into N plus I. So let us substitute everything. We know NV value, it is 5,565, which will be equal to P, it's given 350 rupees, and N, it's 15 plus I. So let us write the I value here. It is calculated. I, we know I is equal to P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So let us substitute the values. So P, we know it is 350 into N, it's 15. So 15 plus 1 is 16 divided by 2 into 12 into R, we don't know, I'm taking it as R itself, 0. 1 0 get cancelled with 1 0, 2 1s are, and you have 2 8s are. See, 12 3s are, it's 12, and 12 5s are, you get 15. So on substitution, I'm going to get 35 R. On substitution, I'm going to get 35 R. So let me bring this R value into the main equation. So I get 350 into 15. 350 into 15, I'm going to get 5,250 plus I value, I know it is 35 R. So here I'm going to get 5,565. See, I'll bring this term towards this side. It becomes 5,565 minus 5,250 will be equal to 35 R. So on subtracting these two terms, I'm going to get, on subtracting these two terms, I'm going to get 315, which will be equal to 35 R. R will be equal to 315 divided by 35. So on substituting this, I'll be getting 9. R value is 9, means the rate of interest per annum is 9%.